Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to use the critical path method in Zoho Project. The critical path method, or CPM, is a strategy that helps project managers identify the most important tasks to complete a project on time. It's essential in avoiding unnecessary delays. Now let's dive right into it. First up, you'll need to log into your Zoho Project account. Once you're in, navigate to the Tasks section. This is where you'll be able to see all the tasks related to your project. The reason we start here is because this gives us an overview of what needs to be done. Next up, we need to create dependencies between tasks. To do this, simply click on a task and then on the Dependencies tab. Here you can define which tasks depend on others, meaning that they cannot start until the previous task is completed. This helps us because it allows us to see the sequence of tasks that make up our project. Now that we've established our dependencies, Zoho Project will automatically calculate the critical path. You can view this in the Gantt chart section. The critical path will be highlighted, showing you the tasks that directly affect the project's completion date. Let me explain why this matters. Knowing your critical path allows you to prioritize tasks and allocate resources efficiently, ensuring your project stays on track. Lastly, remember to regularly update your task progress. As tasks are completed and updated in the system, the critical path may change, so it's important to keep an eye on it. And there you have it. That's how you use the critical path method in Zoho Project. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your projects more effectively, ensuring they are completed on time and within resources. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.